Hello. In this lecture, we will study about the finally block used in the exception handling. The finally here is the keyword, and it is used in association with a try catch block, and it guarantees that the section of a code will be executed even if the exception is thrown or not. The finally block will be executed after the try and catch block. Right. Where it is used, the finally block is mainly used to execute the important program such as closing connection and stream at the end of the any concept. Whatever will be the output, whatever will be the handled in the exception handling, whether it is handled or not, if an error occurs or not, a finally block will surely use that it will execute. We can see with the example here. We have taken the two integers a equals to 10, b equals to 2, and c. It is a simple program we have done in earlier. We are dividing the two numbers a divided by b. If the b is 0, it will give an exception and it will be handled by catch block and it will print the message. So it is a simple try catch block. See here, just immediate in consecutive of the catch block, we have inserted a final block which is printing that I am in finally block. So to understand that this program, the concept of finally, we will run the program two times, one with an exception and one without an exception. See,
मैं देख रहा हूँ पापा।
see, Java C, finally test.java. Here the value of a is 10 and b is equals to 2, so there will be not an arithmetic exception. So what will be the output? See, the output is division 5 and message is printed that I am in finally block. See, I am in finally block. So if either an exception occur or not, a finally block will be executed. Suppose now I'm changing the value b, replacing the value b with 0. I first save the program. Java finally test. See the difference between the output we get here and the earlier. First, it is showing that exception caught java.lang.arithmetic exception divide by 0, which is common because the b value of b is equals to 0. And see here, it is printing that I am in finally block. So even if the exception has occurred, a finally block has run. See the output of earlier program when the exception doesn't occur, then it has printing I am in finally block. This means that even if the exception occurred or not, the finally block is executed. So what is their application? Whenever we are doing the handling the concept of file handling or database, like that, suppose after ending of the program we want to close the connection, we can write the closing statements in the finally block. So before exiting the program, it will close all the connections with the database and the file handling. Another, if you want to display any last sea of messages, then also you can display here, right? And remember that their finally block is usually used after the try catch block. Thank you.